Hey guys, today with my squishy collection. That was a really bad angle. My phone is charging and like I need to like position it and it's like really wobbly so I'm not in color right now. So basically I'm gonna be doing my squishy collection. I already did this, but I just get a couple new 4, 3, 4, 9 new squishies. And this one just did. The first one is reference the spin and I'm gonna use that because I'm also filming on the other than and hook. So first let me start with my biggest squishies in my collection. I know more squishies in it, but I have enough in the last year. But first I have my sister's and kids so I know how to get my kids. Can you shut the door? No, I don't. But yeah, it's super squishy. Then I have Myers, which is this squishy or that one. Yeah, I love it. Then I have my Eileen squishy, and Pete, I think squishy one. So my Eileen strawberry. And then I have this. And now I'm going to show you the rest of them. I'm going to do the newest, I guess. Not now. But this one I got today. Can you shut the door behind you? Guys, I'm so sorry. Okay. No. So, this thing? Oh my god. Good. Okay, so it's a dragon fruit. It's that bacon. But it's a little, I mean, it's very squishy, but not so rising. This smell just smells like butter popcorn thing. It's a squishy scent. So yeah. Then I have some french fries. Yeah. So next I have this really familiar, not the really familiar, by Jaru, which is the same brand as this one. So yeah. So I wanted to say that. Then I have my least favorite squishy in my whole collection. It's this thing. I hate it so much. So yeah, I hate it a lot. Then of course that one. Where do I? God, this is what I hate about squishies. Like they take up so much room in your house. So next I have this squishy, which my sister gave me. Then I have this one, which is so slow rising. Like I'm dead, guys. Like I'm dead. I was dead. So yeah, that is all for this spin. Now let's get on to the next spin. And I'm gonna have to change the camera place thing because I'm filming on that one. That was so cringy. No, my eye glue. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So my next squishy. My next squishy bin. These are all my licensed squishies, I guess. I have one licensed squishy in there. And yeah, so those are like all my Hello Kitty. And I am on next Saturday, I'm gonna go squishy shopping at Target. Oh, guys, they have really good squishies. Like they have like licensed squishies. So yeah, first I'm gonna start with my Hello Kitty donuts. Surya. Stop the cringe. Okay, so basically, first, I have this. I'm just doing that to annoy people. Okay, so it's this Rainbow Hello Kitty donut. Here's the licensing. And I believe this is like the most slow rising squish, Sanrio. Not the most, no, it's definitely most slow rising like I guess, Hello Kitty donut I have. Then I have this chocolate dip powdered one. Now we're gonna get on to like these. So I have this, I think this is a pizza, it's like a really, and I believe this is rare because I've never seen anybody have this on YouTube, so, but people probably do. Just, it's like, I guess it's kind of rare, I guess, but I don't know, comment below. Here's a tag, licensing. And I like the squishy because it's super thin, and I love thin squishies. But yeah, that was a squishy. Can you just smile normally, Surya? Like, next I have this Hello Kitty waffle. You guys be like, oh my God, Surya, this is like not defected. You're wrong. This is the most defective squishy you probably have in my collection so far. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. I try to cry when I see this. It's like squishy abuse. But yeah, I didn't even make those defects, guys. But yeah, it was on sale for like $8, I think. So I was like, okay. But here's the licensing. But it's really thin. The only reason I got it because it's super cute. That was so cringy. Can you not look at me? Thanks. Okay. So this lighting is so bad. Don't slide down, Ola. So the last Sanrio squishy that I have, seriously, focus on me. Here, it has to get used to the lighting. Okay. So the last Sanrio squishy. Oh my God, this lighting is horrible. Can you shut the blinds a little bit? Because it's making, look at my lighting. Or you could just do this. By brightening.
This is why Surya doesn't know what she's doing half of the time. I thought it was your camera. Yeah, I'll shut the blinds.
Okay. So the last Sanrio squishy I have that I got today, I got this from today, is this.
Is that better?
Yeah, this Kropi bread thing. I forget the name of this. That's the thing of it.
Oh, guys, in the next video, I decided this because Surya's gonna do long videos, and in the next video, we're gonna be doing what's on both of our iPhones. So what I'm gonna do is I'll film on Surya's phone. I'm post it on Surya's phone.
It's
and
so
then
eerie.
she'll film on my phone, so you guys can see it's on her phone.
But
so
yeah.
I'll be going first, and then her video will be up.
But yeah, this is super squishy. Tag. This is Kroki, the character. And Kroki is actually my favorite character of all time because I love him. And Sammy Tuxedo, I think Tuxedo Sam. I love Tuxedo Sam. But this squishy is really airy and squishy for a squishy like this.
Sorry.
Oh wait, I get that cake squishy over there. That mini one.
Yeah.
Give me it. Anyways, yeah. But I still have more squishies to go through, so yeah. Oh, here's sir. Can you give me it? Give me it.
Where is it?
It's under the Ferdinand book. Okay, sorry guys. But yeah, it's so slow rising, guys. I'm almost. But yeah. So the next squishy I have is this mini cake. And it's super soft. So then I have my Punimaru poop. Super squishy. This is the Galaxy version. Then I have this really defected Michael's brand squishy thing. But I got this at Chili's, but they do have these at Michael's. And I love doing, and my next video, I'm probably going to do my own. I want to do squishy pet peeves.
No, aren't you doing what's on your phone?
Okay, fine.
You
have
to, but...
So those are all my squishies. Leave this video for videos like this. And yeah, and subscribe. Bye.